Hello, my name is Cassandra Shank, and I am a LTHS STEM student. As a STEM student, I am required to complete a capstone project. The capstone project was meant to help us explore our intended majors. I am going into environmental science at Stockton University, so I did my project on microplastics, which are very detrimental to the state of our environment. Microplastics are pieces of plastic that are less than 5 millimeters in diameter. They are harmful to the surrounding environment due to the fact that they get ingested by the marine life. The plastic particles, when ingested, clump together and negatively impact the animals. The plastic will make the animal feel full and it will decrease their mobility. This then kills them or makes them easier to be killed. The microplastics are easier for smaller organisms to ingest due to the fact that the particles congregate closer to the shorelines and areas that have lower energy. Plastic particles absorb chemicals like a sponge. This means that it will infect the marine life and poison them. Also, when other animals eat the contaminated one, they will then be infected with the harmful substances. The project consists of making devices able to collect the debris that can be found in waterways and later on be able to sort the plastic out from the collection of the waste. This build will be able to attach to kayak and canoes. I made a collection system that consists of different size nettings so that different particles can fit into the different size nets. The design would function so that the surface debris would sort itself from the current of the water. Depending on the plastic size, the particle would sort to different size nettings. To try to determine which of the sketches that I made would be the most beneficial, I made a pro-con list of each of the sketches. And from the pro-con list, I decided to take bits and pieces of each of the designs in order to make the best design possible. In order to test the design of the project, I had to test the device in water. So to test it out, I had to take the kayak out on a local body of water. In my case, it was a lake. I attached the device to the kayak and then took it out in the water. This build would let the marine life thrive in safe and healthy conditions. Since the plastics would then be removed from the situation, animals would be able to survive longer. The competition between the animals would be natural rather than having the plastics impact the food chain. This project has opened many doors for me. I made connections with people and environmental organizations, and I learned more about the topic that is pertinent to my major.